All right. Last week, Darlene sold her first SoFi put. The stock was all over the place. At one point, her stock was $2 underwater. But by expiration Friday, the stock closed at 25.11. The put expired worthless. She kept the cash.
Yeah, free money, and I didn't even have to own the stock. I think I've got this figured out.
Uh, now, wait a second. That sounds good, but there is a difference between you and me. Darlene, I actually want to own SoFi stock. I use SoFi, the company. I believe in the company. They've got solid earnings, and I see them as a good 5 to 10 year hold. So when I sell puts, I don't mind getting assigned. I see it as a buying opportunity. I want to own that stock at a discount.
Yeah, but that's the part I don't like. What if the market tanks and I get stuck with that stock? That's what scares me.
See, that's where I think differently. I see the market going down as an opportunity to buy SoFi when it dips. I want more shares. I'd rather collect premium while I wait and then build ownership when the price is attractive. It's just like GigaCloud. I do the same thing, same philosophy. I only sell options on stocks I actually want to own for years.
And me, I just want the premium, no headaches, no ownership. Just give me the money.
and, and that's fine if you only sell way out of the money puts. The premium is so small it will take forever to grow. To get real premium, you need to write closer to the money. That's why I suggested buying or maybe 23, 22 put options and use our collateral.
So if SoFi drops, you actually want to buy more.
Exactly. I want to take any extra cash we have and buy SoFi at market on the dips. That's called dollar cost averaging. Every premium adds a brick to the wall. Once we get to 100 shares, then we'll be able to sell covered calls and also write covered puts. That'll accelerate the portfolio even faster.
Huh, I guess if it's a stock you really believe in for the next 5 to 10 years, that does make sense, and you're not afraid of owning it.
Not at all. I'd rather be the house that collects rent while I build ownership in the companies I trust. It's like woodworking. You don't skip pieces because you're afraid of mistakes. You measure, cut, fit, one board at a time. Same with options. We sell premium to buy more shares, and we reinforce that structure little by little, building something solid that will last.
So SoFi is like one of your shop projects.
Exactly. I show projects in my shop, in the market. I'm doing the same thing, building wealth piece by piece. That's my philosophy. Pick companies I want to own for years and use options to fund the construction. Option premium to fund the construction.
Okay, I see it now. You're not just collecting premium for the short term, you're building ownership and income at the same time.
Exactly. Don't just gamble on the market, build with it. Build cash flow, build shares, and build future that lasts.
Sounds good. Okay, so today is August 24th, and we expired our last position on Friday. So today we're going to set things up for next week. Expiration will be for August. Where's my date at?
It's on the ticket. See, August 29th.
29th. Okay. So we talked it over and we decided that we're going to do a covered put for $24.50, but it's showing for 53 cents premium. We're going to raise that to 75 cents. So we already set it up. So here we show it's SoFi, expiration 8/29, $24.50 put at 75 cents. So in order for this 75-cent option premium to trigger,
The stock needs to fall at least close to that.
to this amount.
Yeah,
The
24.50.
Okay, there's a specific formula that it's too complex and I don't understand it. So, but so there's 75 cents here. We are going to place the order, but these are the things that we have to do. It's until expiration. We put it for
Good till cancel.
good to cancel, and but again, it will cancel automatically on the 29th if that 75-cent option premium does not trigger. Just so you know. Okay, so we're going to place that order. Order received, and here it gives you all the confirmation information. And
We're good to go.
we're good to go. So then now we won't talk to you again until next weekend and let you know how that panned out. So the amount that we put for 75 cents is basically we'll have a premium of $75.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. All right. So we're good for the next few days.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.